Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. Hi everyone. So today's video is going to be something special today. Well, basically it has been a roller coaster ride. I mean, as per the title says, definitely I'm going to speak about Tala Ajit's the experience, man. I'm short of words right now. I'm kind of literally speechless, and I'm not sure where to begin. Let me tell you, it has been a roller coaster ride. I would definitely say that. And yes, I'm in the middle of Hyderabad City right now. I just came out today to make this video. The time is around 8:30 right now. Where to begin, man? I am short of words right now. So it was basically a regular day. I just came out in the evening on this very same bike, my Ninja 1000. Yes, I have two bikes. One is Ninja 1000 and one is F850 GS. I usually use this bike in the short city rides, and not just that, short breakfast rides in the mornings around the city, and use the F850 GS for long rides. So yes, that was 10th of September. I went to the showroom basically just to check on what exactly were the schedule for the day on the main event, like the training sessions and everything. And I was trying to kind of speak to the manager over there, Sundar, and also a few of the other people from the showroom. Usually I have a good rapport with the mechanics over there and the service guys, and as I was speaking to them, I noticed a beautiful R1250 GSA in the garage, and it was standing there. I kind of looked at it, and boy oh boy, it was an amazing machine. And I was sitting outside, there's a cafe, and I just went inside to say probably goodbye to everyone and was getting ready for the event. And there was a person in the garage next to the R1250 GSA, and he was speaking to one of the service guys about the bike. I believe probably he's getting checked, and I didn't notice that Tala Ajit was standing there, probably because he was wearing mask, or I didn't like concentrate on who the person was next to that bike. And while I was coming out, one of the persons in the showroom told me, did you notice somebody standing over there? I said, who? Just try and look at him clearly once again. And I kind of turned back and had a look at him, and oh boy, let me tell you guys, it was, oh, I'm still speechless right now. I just saw him and I just stood there in shock, or probably I would say starstruck for a moment, and I couldn't believe that it was Tala Ajit standing there. And oh my god, I was like, for a moment I was like not believing my eyes that it was Tala Ajit over there. And I had to pinch myself for a second, and yes, it was real, it was him. And I was kind of looking at him. I didn't barge into him directly. I was standing there at quite a good distance, and I was just looking at him. I was trying to, just look at him, man, just look at him. And then, oh god, I was blushing inside. I was feeling happy, and I was like thanking God that I was able to meet him in person. And then I kind of wanted to speak to him, wanted to take a photograph with him, and I didn't know how he would react if I kind of directly approached for a photograph, because I've never done that earlier with any of the celebrities. So then comes this moment. If you can see these pictures, I kind of spoke to Sundar, he's the manager over there, and asked him if I could take a picture along with Ajit sir. He told me he usually don't want to get disturbed inside this showroom, but still I was kind of insisting and asked him if he can like speak to me one single word, or probably if I can take a picture with him. So he kind of went ahead and introduced me to Tala Ajit sir, saying that yeah, he rides a F850 GS and he's a rider and he does long rides. Then this comes the words from Tala Ajit sir. He is so humble, so soft spoken. It was like a small conversation for almost about a minute or two, where he spoke about what I ride and what all rides I did so far, what are the rides that I'm planning in the future, and the videos that I do. Kind of I told him, and then I was like about to ask him for a picture, and he himself initiated and told me let's take a picture, because he knew I was about to ask him. So that's how good a person can be. I have seen it for the first time, and definitely after the celebrity status and the kind of persona he carries along with him, oh my god. And then these pictures, wow, I was totally blushing, and I was totally enjoying this moment. And then comes the next part. I came to know that he'll be coming to the BMW GS experience, and then I was totally elated. Oh boy, I was like looking forward for this day. So during those break sessions, he will talk about his experiences about, well, you all know, right, he's a motorsport enthusiast and he has been in the motorsports since a very long time. I mean, I saw his first movie way back in 1999 when Wali was released, and yes, I did watch it in Telugu, not in Tamil, because I'm not I don't know Tamil, my mother tongue is Telugu, but yes, I watched most of his movies, and I knew that the fascination for his motorsports, may it be bikes or cars, and especially I was an avid fan of Formula 1 racing, and when I knew that he was in Formula 3 and Formula 2 racing at that period of time, that's when my admiration grew for Tala Ajit sir, and I took inspiration, probably most of it from Ajit sir, to get into this motorcycles, the love for it and everything. So that's when my fascination for motorcycles went on, and I catched up with it. Right, and as the day went by, the morning sessions has completed, and we took a break for the lunch, and then I was taking the usual drone shots around the area, just covering here and there. And then here comes Tala Ajit sir. If you guys know it or not, but he's got a lot of interest in drones and what you call RC airplanes. This is something which I've come to know. I've known about this through few of this information that is there on the internet, and then he was like he wanted to see what is the drone I was flying, and he took it, and that was the moment where he flew my drone. And I was like on cloud 9 when he was doing that. Oh god. And we took few pictures. Everyone was in that pictures. If you can see these pictures up here, wow, that was a moment where I was like, whoa, I was so happy at that moment, completely happy, I would say. And there's this another incident where I took a fall, and he was probably close by, and he came close to me and asked if I was doing okay. And that was the moment I was like, oh my god, this is the person where everybody wants to take a look at him. And he was coming and asking me how I was. I mean, I was like totally, what do I say, I'm not getting those words, boy. Happy, I would say. I was kind of, oh my god, totally blown away. Yes, literally, boys, literally. And what I'm not even getting words. How do I describe that feeling where Tala Ajit sir was like, he was speaking to everyone, and like a regular person, man, regular person. Wow, that was the experience that I had with him, and the day went off. And yeah, coming to the major portion where I had to mute his speech, especially in the comments for the video that I've put up. Please put up the Tala Ajit's speech. I wanted to know, we wanted to hear what exactly he spoke. Well, I couldn't do that because of unfortunate reasons. I definitely can't share what those reasons are. But yeah, that was an amazing moment. Let me tell you what exactly he spoke about. The speech, he told how the event went, and he thanked everyone, especially the trainer, for the amazing training that he had given. And yes, he spoke about the total event, the day that he spent with everyone over there, the experience. And he kind of told that, he said that he'll definitely come back for the level 2 training and everything. So yeah, that was the speech about. And yes, that was the total day. I'm sure whatever I spoke was not that clear or not that great, because I'm not a very good speaker or a very good narrator, I would say. I don't know how to put across sentences. I'm not that great, but still, yeah, I've tried my best, guys. Please forgive me if I've gone wrong in any way in putting up my experience across to you guys about Tala Ajit sir. And yes, right from morning till evening, the day that we've spent along with Tala Ajit sir, it was totally amazing. And I still couldn't believe that I had a chance to spend a day with him. That was real. That was real, guys. I still remember those amazing moments along with him. Not just me, everyone were like elated. Everyone were like shocked to see him that particular day, and especially the kind of the nature that he carries along with him, the persona. I would say that was amazing. Yeah, so that was about it, guys. My experience. I don't know what else to share. I kind of, when I'm trying to speak about him right now, I'm not getting those proper words to express how good he was. And definitely this wouldn't have been possible without the BMW bike that I own. And that inspiration came from, kind of, I would say, from Tala Ajit sir, because he rides S1000 RR and a few other bikes earlier. Before me taking up this bike, I saw Tala Ajit sir riding these bikes, and I was like, yeah, probably one day I might own a BMW. And yes, I did own one. That was amazing, guys. Alright, guys, so if you have liked this short video, you please consider subscribing to my channel, and then click the like button. Yeah, that would definitely encourage me to do more videos like this. I was just checking if this video is getting recorded or not, otherwise it would have been a bummer all this time. Yeah, so see you all guys in the next video. Bye bye.